Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you LG Stylo 6 mobile phone. In this video, I am gonna also tell you the retail price of LG Stylo 6 and the upcoming price, also the expected price of the LG Stylo 6 mobile phone. It's give you the official warranty yes and not. So before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notifications of my video. So let's get start the video. So guys, here we have a LG Stylo 6 mobile retail specification, built-in quality of Android OS, Android 10.0 OS, dimensions 171.2 into 77.7 into 8.6 mm, weight 219 gram, SIM, dual SIM, dual standard, do standby, nano SIM. Colors, white color. So there we have a frequency 2G, 3G and 4G. They have a three frequency. SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 4G LTE. So here we have a processor, CPU octa-core, 4 into 2.3 GHz Cortex A53 plus 4 into 1.8 GHz Cortex A53. Chipset MediaTek Helio P35. GPU PowerVR GE8320. So here we have a display. Technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen 16 colors multi-touch. Size 6.8 inches. Resolution 1080 into 2460 pixels, 395 ppi. So now here we have a memory. Built-in 64 GB, built-in 3 GB RAM. Card micro SD card, sports up to 1 TB. So here we have a camera. The main camera triple camera, 13 megapixel wide, PDAF plus 5 megapixel ultra wide plus 5 megapixel with LED flashlight. Features geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama HDR video. Front camera, the front camera 13 megapixel. So now here we have a connectivity, WLAN, Bluetooth, GPS, radio, FM radio, USB 2.0 Type C 1.0 reversible connector, NFC and data, GPRS H 3G 4G LTE. Here we have a features, sensors, audio, browser HTML5, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, pushmail, games, torch and extra, active noise cancellation with detected mic, photo and video editor, document viewer. So here we have a battery capacity, lithium ion, non removable battery, 4000 mAh with the fast charging support. So this last one, here we have a expected price and the upcoming price in Pakistan, 38,999 rupees. Also USD price, expected price and the upcoming price is there not available, just coming soon. So guys, hope you like this video. Make sure like and subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching this video.